everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make the turkey stuffing. It's a bread stuffing, and for the bread stuffing you don't have to buy the bread. Whatever you have in your fridge you can use, or your favorite bread. Me, I opened the fridge, I found bagel, I found ciabatta baguette, and I found some English muffin here, so might as well to use it, why not? And so all what you need, just dice them about, I will say, a ½ inch dice, like this one here, and put it in a flat tray. You can toast them in the oven, or you can leave them a night before outside so they can dry up, and because you want to dehydrate it, right? And, here what I have, I already prepared it last night, and I cut it, I put it in a flat tray, and I left it overnight outside so they dehydrated, they're a little crispy, and that's what we're gonna use today. And for the vegetables here, I have some celery that we're gonna chop. Put it on the side. And for the onion, I'm using the leek here. I'm not using a regular onion, I'm using the leek. I like the flavor. It gives nice flavor to the stuffing. Voila. Now I'm using here a sour apple. And I'm gonna do some carrot as well. Yes, I know I'm using a lot of vegetables. Me, I like a lot of vegetable in the stuffing. So now in the frying pan, turn your stove into medium high, and we're gonna start with the butter. And I'm gonna put olive oil as well, so half butter, half olive oil. Olive oil tastes so good in the stuffing. Voila. As soon as the butter fully melted, we're gonna put the leek, celery, apple, and carrot, and we're gonna sweat them a little bit. Now they are ready. Now I'm gonna add the fresh chopped sage and dry cranberry, a little bit of oregano, and we're gonna mix it, cook it for another minute, and good to go. Smells so good already. Now in a small bowl, we want to crack 2 eggs. Voila, have it ready. And now in the bowl, we're gonna empty the bread. Now we're gonna empty all the vegetable on top. And the raw eggs on the side here, because we don't want it to scramble. And I have here some vegetable broth. We're gonna add a little bit at first. Salt, pepper, and now we're gonna mix it together very well. If we need more liquid, we can add vegetable broth. And why we dehydrate the bread, so when we add the vegetable and the broth, we rehydrate the bread, so the bread absorbs all the flavor from the vegetable and the broth. Now any casserole you can use, or any tray, baking tray you have, you're gonna put it in, and make sure you preheat your oven on 375. Flatten it up a little bit and ready to go in the oven. Voila, it's ready to go. Nice. Oh my God, look at this. Beautiful. So what happened, because it was a little bit over the edge of the casserole, I put it in the oven on 375 for 5 minutes just to dry up the top so it won't stick to the aluminum foil. I cover it with the aluminum foil for 20 minutes, then uncover it for another 15 minutes, and this is the result here. Look at that beautiful golden color on top. Nice. Look at this. All what you need now just to give it a try. Wow. It's crispy from the outside, soft from the inside, full of flavor. So no matter how good you make the turkey or the mashed potato, the main key for the turkey dinner to me, it's the stuffing. You make a good stuffing like this one here, like this recipe, I guarantee you put a smile on everybody's face on the table, and don't wait too long to make it, and all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.